An Arro card application can be denied because of eligibility checks, incomplete information, verification issues, or factors in the application review process. By the end, you'll know the common reasons an Arro card application may be denied, and the steps you can take before applying again. The first thing to do after a denial is check the reason provided by Arro. A denial message or email may explain what part of the application caused the decision. Understanding the reason is more useful than immediately submitting another application. One common issue is incorrect information. If your personal details, income information, or other application details do not match the information available during verification, the application may not be approved. Review the information you submitted and make sure your name, address, income details, and other required fields are accurate before trying again. Another possible issue is verification. Financial products often require companies to confirm identity and other information before approving an account. If the system cannot verify your details, the application may be delayed or denied. Make sure the information you provide is consistent across your documents, accounts, and application details. A denial can also happen because you do not currently meet the product's approval requirements. Each financial product has its own criteria, and meeting one company's requirements does not guarantee approval from another. If your application was denied, avoid guessing the reason. Check the explanation provided, review the requirements, and fix any problems you can identify. Before applying again, make sure your information is complete, your identity details are accurate, and you understand the card's eligibility requirements. It can also help to wait before submitting another application if the issue was caused by missing information or an unresolved verification problem. Reapplying with the same incorrect details may lead to the same result. The goal is to make your next application easier to verify. Accurate information and a clear understanding of the requirements give the application process the best chance of moving forward. To summarize, an Arro card denial can happen because of incorrect details, verification problems, or eligibility requirements. Check the reason for the denial, update any incorrect information, and review the requirements before applying again. Your next step is to read the denial notice carefully and fix the specific issue it identifies. If this guide helped you understand how to handle a denied card application, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations about financial products.